Hi folks, in today's tutorial, I'll show you how to download and install Adobe Acrobat Pro on your PC, Mac, or laptop for free. Just click the link in the description to head over to the Acrobat Pro free trial page and follow along with me step by step. Before you proceed, it's crucial to check if your device meets the system requirements for Adobe Acrobat Pro. This comprehensive PDF editing and document management tool runs smoothly on most modern systems. Ensuring this compatibility will help you avoid any potential issues during installation. Once you're on the page, click to start your free trial. You will see 3 plans to choose from. Choose the individual plan, which gives you full access to Acrobat Pro and all its advanced PDF editing capabilities. This plan is packed with features that will take your PDF editing to the next level, and I can't wait for you to experience them. Here's a bonus tip. On the same page, you'll also see an option to sign up for Adobe Stock. I highly recommend checking that box, as it gives you an additional 7-day free trial for Adobe Stock, plus you get 10 free premium assets like professional images, graphics, and templates that you can incorporate into your PDF documents and presentations. Just make sure to cancel on time if you don't want to be charged later. Next, you'll need to sign in or create your Adobe account. The process is quick and straightforward, so don't worry. Adobe will also ask for a payment method, but remember, you won't be charged if you cancel before the trial ends. After that, you'll be prompted to download the Creative Cloud desktop app. This is where you'll install and launch Acrobat Pro. Once installed, launch Creative Cloud, find Acrobat Pro in the list of available apps, hit install, and let it do its thing. Depending on your internet speed, the installation may take several minutes, so sit back and relax while it downloads. And that's it! You now have Adobe Acrobat Pro fully installed and ready to use for the next 7 days, plus 10 free Adobe Stock assets if you grabbed that offer too. This is the perfect way to explore Acrobat Pro's powerful PDF editing features and easily create, edit, convert, and manage professional documents. Remember to click the link in the description to start your free trial and follow the steps in this video. If this tutorial helped you, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe for more easy how-to guides like this, and tap the bell so you don't miss future uploads. Do you have any questions? Drop them in the comments and I'll be happy to help you out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial. Take care.